Hello, welcome to Sharda e-learning educational video tutorials. We are going through chapter number 1, linear equation in two variables. We will see the practice 1.2 in this video. So let's get into it. So what is the question number 1? Is complete the following table to draw graph of equations. Complete the following table to draw graph of the equation. This practice set is upon graphical method to solve the simultaneous equation. And to solve the simultaneous equation, we need to draw these tables for each of these straight line. Here are two equations, x plus y is equal to 3, and the table for it is here. And the second equation is x minus y is equal to 4, which is here. So basically what we do to draw the graph is, if we have the value of x, we will calculate the value of y. If we have the value of x, we will put the value of x in the equation number 1. Then we will get the y is equal to 0, right? So we can write here. Then if we have the value of y, we will put this value in this equation. X minus 5 is equal to 3. Then x should be minus 2. Just solve them for the remainder variable. Similarly, we have the value here y is equal to 3. What should be the value of x? Y is equal to 3, x should be 0. This is the first equation. Then the second is x minus y is equal to 4. So if we have the value 0, put here x minus y is equal to 4, x minus 0 is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 0 will be added on the right side, x is equal to 4. Very simple. Then x is equal to minus 1. If we have x is equal to minus 1, what is the value of y? Minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. So minus y is equal to 4 plus 1, because minus y on the left side will be positive on the right side. So minus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to minus 5. Right? Then second equation, second problem, 0, 4. Maybe they have already given these values, right? Yeah, they have given 0 and minus 4. We can check them also. If we have a value of x 0 and value of y minus 4, is it satisfying? 0 minus 4. 0 minus y is a minus 4. 0 minus minus 4. Y, minus minus will be positive, and we will be answer 4. There will be answer 4. So it is also satisfying. So after getting this table completed, we can draw the lines on our graph paper. As we have seen, we need at least two pair of values. At least two pair of values. This is one pair and this is a pair number 2. We have here extra pair. For confirming we are drawing it correctly. So we can have more than 2 or 3 values values of pairs, but we need at least 2 pairs. Okay, so we have here 3 pairs, and also for the second equation. So we will try to draw them on the graph paper. Here is the graph paper. When you draw the lines on graph paper, we need to understand some basic concepts. So here is a horizontal line which we have called it is x-axis. Should write here x and x dash. And similarly, the vertical line which is a perpendicular and intersect at point 0, which is also called as y-axis, y and y dash. So these are the lines are basically the graph papers basic lines, x-axis and y-axis main lines. So after these drawing these lines, we will name them as 0 or O, which is also called as origin. This is the origin of our graph. Then right hand side of the origin on the x-axis will be positive values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. This arrow indicates there are infinite values on the right side. This arrow indicates infinite values. Okay, every ending has an arrow. It should not be dot or ending. It is not a line segment. It is a line that is going through, going in infinite. Okay, so what we are going to draw is our straight line. So after writing these values, x-axis is positive on the right hand and negative on the left hand. Similarly, y-axis is positive on the upper side of the graph, upward positive, and downward it is negative. So you have to remember this. You cannot change these, otherwise your graph will be falsely drawn. Okay. Then what we have is values of x and y. X and y. What is the first value we have? X comma y is equal to 3 comma 0, right? 3 comma 0. X is value 3, y is 0. 3 comma 0. Then second is minus 2 comma 5, and third is 0 comma 3, right? We have these values for this equation. For which equation? X plus y is equal to 3. So x comma y is 3 comma 0. This is the first point we have to draw. Where is the point? So 3 comma 0 means x has a value 3, y has a value 0, x has a value 3. So we will find where is the x3. Here is the x3, right? Because 3 is a positive number, we will find it on the right hand of the x-axis. Okay, so find the value of x is equal to 3. Then find the value of y. Y is 0. 0 value is right here. So the point should be on the x-axis. Because the value of y is 0, the point it lies on the x-axis. Okay, so the point is I am showing here, right here, is x comma y is 3 comma 0. This is the first point. Okay, what is the second point is minus 2 comma 5, minus 2 comma 5. X is a minus 2. Let's see where is x minus 2. X here we can see here. X minus 2 is here. I am showing it. X minus 2, x is minus 2 here. And what is the value of y? Y is 5. So 5, where is 5? Positive 5 is upward side, right? So we will draw them. We will join them to find our point. X minus 2 to y, positive y, 5. So this is the point minus 2, 5. So this is the second point we got. This is the first point we got. If we join them, we can see the line x plus y is equal to 3 came up. For our insurance, we will see the third point. Is the third point lie on the same line? What is the third point? 0 comma 3 means x is 0 and y is 3. Where is x0? X0 is here. Okay, and y3. Y3 is where? Right here. So when x is 0, the point should be on y-axis, right? So we are right here. The point is also on our line x plus y is equal to 3. Name this line is x plus y is equal to 3. Similarly, now we are going to draw the line x minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. Then we have already completed our table. So what is our first point here? X comma y is equal to 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. Let's find the 4 comma 0. In 4 comma 0, 4 is the value of x. So we will find here. Okay, and y is 0 means it is on the x axis. Next point, minus 1. minus 5u minus 1 here, minus 1 of x is here, and minus 5 of x is down here. So here is our second point. Second point, first point, join there. And let's check the third point, 0 comma minus 4, 0 comma minus 4. It's right on the our line. So these are the two lines we are asked to draw on the graph paper. Okay, so we draw on the graph paper. So what is the solution of these? So this is the solution. This point on the graph paper is the solution of these two lines. But as we can see here, the solution is quite complex because it comes neither on our complete number, whole number, or not on the. We cannot actually draw the exactly solution of this number because it comes very complex as a graphical method, so that we have another methods like determinant method, but we can calculate the values and draw the lines on the graph paper very easily. Let's see the question number 1, sorry, question number 2. So question is, solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. When they are asking you to solve the equation graphically, you have to use the graph paper and draw the tables before it. So write the equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 6, and equation number 2 is x minus y is equal to 4. Complete the table. When x is equal to 0, y is 6. When y is equal to 0, x is 6, right? This is a simple method to write the table. Just put these values x one by one. Once put, firstly put the value of x is 0, then calculate the y, then put the value of y, calculate the x. X when x is 0, y is 6. When y is 0, x is 6. Then put another value. Just let's put x is equal to 2, then y is 4. Similarly, complete this table also, and let's see where is the point of intersection to find the solution. So let's find the, this is the table. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. Where is the point? X is equal to 0, I am showing here, and y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6. This is the first point. Then second point, x is equal to 6, where is x is equal to 6? Here. And y is equal to 0, right here. So these are the 2 points, join them. Third point, let's check the third point for our confirmation. X is equal to 2 here, and y is equal to 4, go upward, right? So it is very simple to draw the points and eventually line. Then second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Here, when we put y is equal to 0, x is 4. When we put x is equal to 0, y is minus 4. When we put y is equal to 1, x is 5. This is very simple to calculate. Just put these values 0, 1, 2. These types of values will be easier to find. Okay. So what we are getting here is x, y. X is 4, x is 4, y is 0. This is the point right here. Then x is 5 and y is 1. This is the point, second point. So we can draw them by joining them. And third point, 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. This is the third point. So we have drawn the correct line. So we have to calculate the point of intersection. Point of intersection. Where is the point of intersection? Point of intersection is 5 comma 1. Always write the value of x first. Always write the value of x first and then y. 5 comma 1 is our point of intersection and the solution. This is equation number 2. X plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. Similarly, complete this table by putting the simple values. When we put x0 gets y, y0 x5. then put x is equal to 2, get 3. Similarly, in this example, when we put x is equal to 0, sorry, y is equal to 0, x get 3. X is equal to 0, y gets minus 3. Similarly, y is equal to 2, put then x is equal to 5. These are the simple tables. Then on the graph paper, just find out the point 0, comma 5, 0, comma 5. This is the first point. Then 5, comma 0, 5, comma 0. This is the second point. Then 2, comma 3, 2, comma 3. So this is the first line. Okay. Then x comma y, x minus y is equal to 3. These are the points 3, comma 0. Where is 3, comma 0? 3, comma 0 is here. Then 0, comma minus 3 is here. Then 5, comma 2 is here. Draw the line and find where is the point of intersection. Point of intersection is 4, comma 1. You can see here 4, comma 1 is our point of intersection. So question number 3. X plus y is equal to 0. 2x minus y is equal to 9. So these are the equations. Firstly, try to draw these table. Very simple. Just try to put any other values. We tried here some other values. We can also use the 0 value or 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. Just try to keep it simple. When we put x is equal to 3, what we got is minus 3. When we put 1, x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to minus 1. When we put x is equal to 2, we get minus 2. When we put x is equal to 0, y should be 0. So it is going through our origin. 0, comma 0 is origin. So this is our first line. Then our second line is 2x minus y is equal to 3. When we put x is equal to 3, we get y is equal to minus 3. When we put x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to minus 9. And x is equal to 1, we get minus 7. So you have to calculate it side by side and get this point. Where are these points? 3, comma 3, positive 3 and negative 3. This is the point. And this is the point of intersection also. So as we can see, these points are coming same in our table. We can see here the points are coming same here. So this is already the solution we have know. So next part is next point is 0, comma 9. 0, comma 9. This is the second point. This is our line. This is our first line. This is the second line, and this is the point of intersection. Question number 4. Three x minus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. Put the values 0, 1, 2 as x values and calculate the y value. Similarly, put the values 0, 1, 2 in second equation and calculate these values and try to draw the graphs. We will try to find our graphs by our software. We will see in a minute. We have shown you how to draw these table and then we have to point them on the graph paper. These are the points we have got 0, minus 2. Where is 0, minus 2? 0, minus 2. This is the first point. 1, comma 1. This is the 1, comma 1. So draw these. Then 2, comma 4. 2, comma 4. This is the first line. 3x minus. Name the straight line, the equation name. Okay, 3x minus y. And this is 2x minus y. Where it joins is 1, minus 1, comma minus 5. This is the solution. Where they meet is the solution. The point of intersection of these lines is the solution of simultaneous equation in two variables. Okay, the next question number 5. Sorry, example number 5. 3x minus 4y is equal to 7, 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Put the value 1, find the value. These are coming in something complex numbers, fractional values, decimal numbers. So no problem actually, because when we get more than two numbers, we can calculate them by easy. As we can see, we can show minus 2.3 on the graph paper. How can we can show the minus 2.3? Minus 2.3 is a third part of the 10 parts. Okay, minus 2.3. We will show it here. 0, x is minus 2.3 and y is 0. X is minus, okay, x is 1 first. So plot them one by one. X is 1 and y is 2.1. So this is the point. X is 1 and y is 2.5. 2.5 is right in the middle of 2 and 3. Then x is a 0, and y is a 1.75. Y is a 1.75. Okay, we will draw this by our graphic calculator. Let's see what are these equations. We will come to know exactly how it is calculated. 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. This is the line we are getting. Question number 2 is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So this is the intersecting points. What is intersecting points? We can see here 1 comma, intersect is 1 comma 2.5. 1 comma 2.5 is our solution. Okay. This is the graph. If we can zoom, we will see how to plot the numbers. Okay, this is quite zoomed now. This is the origin. We can see if we zoom in, we can make them as a, we can see them as much closerly. We will zoom out one more. This is like our graph paper. When we have a graph paper, we have this 0, 1, 2, 3, and in them we have maybe 10 lines. Okay, we have 10 lines, so we will zoom for them. Yes, now we have 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So in 0 to 1 we have 10 lines, right? Similarly, where is our intersecting point? This is our intersecting point. We can see where is it is 2.5. We can line it on 1 from x-axis and 2.5 from y-axis. So 5 comes in right in middle of 2 and 3. So it is, I will name them as this. This is where I am showing is 2.1. This is 2.2. This is 2.3. This is 2.4. This is 2.5, which is our solution. 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 in 3.0. So this is how we should draw these lines. Similarly, example number 6. This is the example number 6. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 3y minus x is equal to 4. Draw them by putting the values, simple values. Put the y is equal to 0 and calculate x. Okay, put y is equal to 1 and calculate x with 3.5 and minus 0.6. These are actually simple values to plot on. Similarly, 3y minus x, we can put these values. X is equal to y is equal to 0, then x is minus 4, y is equal to 2, x is 2, y is equal to 1, x is minus 1, and plot these. So we will see these also on our example. We will try to calculate 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, and equation number 2 is 3y minus x is equal to 4. So this is the answer. Okay, if we zoom in, we will see here is in 0 to 1. In our graph paper, we can name 0 and 1 with our 10 points or 1 point. There is no problem. You can scale it by any number. So here it is. What is the output? Intersect point is 8 comma 4. The solution should be 8 comma 4. Okay, this is the solution. So let's see if our solution is here. It is point of intersection of this line is 8 comma 4. This is the last example from our practice set number 1.1. This is the graphical method, and next part is about determinant and practice set on it. We will see the determinant practice set 1.3 in our next video. Thank you very much.